Okay, good morning, children. My name is B. Ravinder Reddy. I am working at Government High School, Parapalli Street as a physical science teacher. So we are at what acids and bases. In this acids and bases, we completed up to lecture number 16 we completed. To what lecture number 16 we completed. Now we are at what lecture number 17. What is that lecture number 17? What do you observe when water is mixed with acid or base? That means what we are going to what mix acid to the water or base to the water. Now what is our observation? So in this this is the what very important concept, and this concept name is called as what dilution also, because when we are going to add to water acid to water, that is exothermic in nature, high energy is released. Similarly, when we are add base to the water, here also amount of energy is released. Hence, it is also exothermic reaction. So, when exothermic reactions are what takes place, we should care about that. So, here always we should add acid to water. We never add water to acid. Why? Because whenever what we add acid to water, there what will happens, this is also exothermic in nature. What will happens? Large amount of heat energy released at a time, once, within a fraction of seconds. Whenever large amount of energy is released, the vessel may be blasted. The vessel may be what will happens? Blasted. So that if that one is what poured on our skin or on our clothes, they will be what spoiled, and what some rashes also we may observe. So that's why we should care about what this one. We are what adding water to acid, water to base. When we are adding water to acid, what will happens? The concentration of H plus ions is decreases. When we are added base to water, the concentration of OH minus ions are decreases. This process is called as what? Dilution. What is meant by dilution? Decreasing of concentration of H plus ions of acid and what OH minus ions of what basic solution is called as what? Dilution. Dilution is carried by mixing, by what? Increasing what? Water quantity in the solution. Children, we are going to discuss what lecture number 17, dilution. Dilution means what? Mixing of water to acid, such that what will happen, so here what will have, here what is present, some quantity of water is there, water is there. So this water I am what adding water acid. So such that what will happen here, pure acid is there, large quantity of H plus ions are there. When it is mixed with water, here what H plus ions present per what 1 ml solution is decreases. H plus ions present 1 ml solution is, or 1 liter solution is decreases, such that what concentration of H plus ions are decreases. This decreasing of concentration of H plus ions is called as what? Dilution process. What is called dilution process? So if you touch this what vessel, so with our hands, what will happen? We feel hot. That means what? This is what? Exothermic reaction. What it is? Exothermic reaction. What is exothermic reaction? In which reactions heat energy is released, that is called as exothermic reaction. In which reactions heat energy is released is called as what? Exothermic reaction. In the same manner, now I am taking what here some quantity of what? Water. I am adding what? Base, sodium hydroxide like base. When we are adding base, what will happen? These OH minus ions are distributed throughout the solution, such that the number of OH minus ions present per 1 ml solution or 1 liter solution is what? Decreases. OH minus ions are decreases. This decreasing of OH minus ions is called as what? Dilution process. What it is called? Dilution process. So if you touch what? This vessel again with our hands, what will happen? We feel hot. From this we can release what? We can say what? This is also exothermic reaction. What is meant by exothermic reaction? In which reaction large amount of heat energy is released is called as what? Exothermic reaction. So in these water to water reactions, this one the dilution of acid is very important. Why it is important means, now let me discuss. So while we are diluting, always acid is added to water. So we never here what I am taking acid Here I am taking acid, I am water, I am going to add water. This one we should never do. In order to dilute, always acid is added to water. Water never be added to acid. Why we are not added to acid? This means this is the what whenever we are adding, so within a fraction of seconds large amount of heat energy is released. Large amount of heat energy is released. Due to the releasing of that much of large amount of heat energy, what will happen, sir? The vessel may be blasted. This vessel may be blasted, so the such that the acid may be poured in our skin as well as what on our water clothes. Those will be what destroyed or damaged. So such that we always add water to acid, water to acid. So that's why what in this dilution phenomenon, acids are corrosive in nature. So the corrosive natured water, so that means what acids are what this what warning symbol is present upon acids and bases. So this warning symbol is present upon what acids and bases. This warning symbol is what whenever what acid is poured in our what acid or base is what poured in our skin or in what will happen, that will be damaged. This symbol is present wherever we see this symbol. We should care what or we should handle care with what that substance or that chemical. So this is the what about the concept related to what our dilution phenomenon.